I'm honored to welcome fellow changemakers from around the world to join this call to action. I'm Radhika Shah, co-president of Stanford Angels and Entrepreneurs, an advisor to the Sustainable Development Goals Philanthropy Platform, and an impact tech investor. I'm also a co-chair of the Bezos Summit, along with some passionate changemakers, Stanford students. Stanford Angels and Entrepreneurs is a co-convener of the summit. We are a Stanford community of 2,000 plus alumni, students, and faculty who come together to advance tech innovation and entrepreneurship. In this sad moment, as we reflect on a world in crisis, as COVID cases continue to rise in India, Brazil, and elsewhere, let us take a moment of silence to honor all those whose lives have been lost and impacted. This moment of crisis is also a moment of great opportunity. COVID has shown how interconnected our lives and well-being are. As we emerge in a post-COVID world, it is a moment to recognize the importance of collaboration and co-creation, a moment to reimagine ourselves, our world, to reimagine entrepreneurship and innovation, to be more inclusive, sustainable, and focused on societal impact. And what better way to collaborate and reimagine than by embracing the Global Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the SDGs, and the spirit of leaving no one behind, as a framework, a common language for collaboration across sectors and countries. They weave together social, economic, and environmental challenges, as well as solutions to these challenges. The global goals have been agreed upon by most world leaders and recognize the interconnectedness of these challenges and solutions, such as climate change, life on land, life under water, poverty, various forms of inequality, access to public health, energy, water, food, education, livelihood for all, and sustainable production and consumption. As a child, growing up in the backdrop of the Sabarmati Ashram in India, I was deeply influenced by the Gandhian philosophy of respecting the dignity of every human being, recognizing the sustainable self-reliance as a key to dignity, and thinking of a relationship to nature and environment as that of a custodian trustee and not of nature as a resource for us to exploit. To me, the Sustainable Development Goals truly embody this Gandhian spirit and enable us to scale it globally. I have embraced the global goals as a North Star for almost everything I do, including my Silicon Valley Stanford community world of tech innovation, entrepreneurship, and impact investing. I call on all of us to fully embrace these goals so we can all collectively achieve the seemingly impossible. This is a moment for all of us to inspire and challenge each other. Nothing is impossible if we set our minds and bring our passion and energy and effort to the table. If we collectively channel and leverage tech innovation and entrepreneurship to help humanity and our planet, I am convinced we can reimagine and recreate a different world, a world where we nurture our earth and all creatures that inhabit it. Quoting thinker-author Arundhati Roy, another world is not only possible, she is on her way. On a quiet day, I can hear her breathing.